Let's have a look at Rayrun Casambi PLC master and slave drivers. The master driver is here. It's powered by a 48 volt DC power supply, and this is 48 volt 600 watt DC power supply and input to the master driver. And the master driver here will receive the Casambi command and modulate the power line communication data onto the output power cable. The output power is also 48 watt, and in this demo we run 20 meters of cables from here, and in a terrible wiring situation to simulate some very long wiring or high interference environment. And the cable here get into the check. Only two wires, we can see still the two wires, 48 two wires. And there's a 50 check light on the check. So here is the front, and here's the middle. Middle still two wires connect from this end to this end, then back. So this is one master driver, 50 pieces slave driver in the check lights, and let's have a demo. First, on the Casambi app, we can dim up. It's a regular operation from Casambi. Turn on, turn off. It's the regular operation of Casambi. And also we can adjust the color temperature to warm white, to cool white. Okay. And for the check lights, we can also make the zoom setting. Hold press on the icon here. We can see from the Casambi UI, the first line is overall brightness, to adjust the brightness for every light. And here's the color temperature, cool white and warm white. And then we have 4 zooms, zone 1 and to zone 4 brightness. And let's have a look. And I turn down the brightness of zone 1. So the first 10 lights is zone 1, and up again, go up again. Okay, zone 1. And turn down the brightness of zone 2. That is zone 2, another 10 piece. And zone 3, the end of 10 lights for zone 3. And zone 4, here's the zone 4. And the rest 10 lights is not programmed to any zone. So it's only the rest 10 is only controlled by the general brightness. Let's turn down the brightness of 4 zones, and now only the 10 lights is not programmed to zone is lighting, and we can adjust the brightness of the general brightness, can control this 10 lights. So the general brightness can control all lights, and also the lights not programmed to any zone. Okay, we turn up the brightness of all zones here, and then let's have a look at the advanced features of the driver. Double click on the icon, and here we go to the parameters. We have some advanced features. The first one is on-off fade time. We can program the on-off fade time of the lights and open it. Here is 20. That means 20 by 0.1 seconds. That's 2 seconds. Let's go to maybe 50. Okay, let's have a look at the light. They flashed, means this is accept. And let's turn on and off. It's 5 seconds of dimming up and fading in and fading out. on off. And let's go to the second option. Second option, we have the dimming curve option. We can go with logarithm, linear, or optimized logarithm. I will not show it here. And also we have the current trim function. Current trim is to trim the drive current of all the check lights. For example, the check light is now programmed to 200 milliamperes each, and I can trim them to 50%. That means 100 milliamp. So in this way, we can adjust the overall output power of the system. Okay, now I go back to original 100%. Okay, and the next option is set current for activated slave. That means I can set up the driving current of every check light. The check light has a slave driver inside, so that means set the slave light current. To set the current, we need to activate the slave driver or the check light first. To activate is quite simple. You just need to plug off and plug on again. Power off and power on again. Okay, now I set the first driver's current to 201 milliamp. Okay, I type the current here first, and then I will plug off the power of the first light, and then plug in. This light is activated. I tap on OK. Okay, then the first light is running a adaptation program. It will drive the warm white and the cool white channel separately to learn the light. So we can see only the first light did the activation, the adaptation. So other lights are not activated, and that means they are safe. Only the target light is programmed with the target current. And for the next option, set subzone here, a similar operation as program the driving current. We need to activate the slave light first, and then select different zones for this light. It's similar as the driving current. You need to activate first. So this is a basic option. This is the basic operation of the master and slave drivers. Thanks for watching.